Here is the duplicate file fixer. This duplicate file fixers will scan for the duplicate files in your system. You can remove one copy of files and you can keep the one original copy of files. This will free up space in your PC and help your PC run smoothly. So in order to verify, you can see here I have 3 different files, 2 document files and one application. I'm going to make a one copy of application and paste it to the desktop. Now I have a 2 copy of application, one in a desktop and one over there in the download folder. I'll even change the name, one that is there in the desktop. I'll give the name duplicate of files. See, 2 different copy of application in a 2 different place, one in a download folder and one in a desktop. It has a different name. Even I've changed the name. Now let me copy one document files, save it to another place. It's a document folder. And let me change the name. Okay, let me give any names. Let me make one more copy of it. Let me change its name. Let me make one more copy of it with a similar name. Now this particular files, document files, is right over here in the download folder as well as in the document folder. Document folder has a 3 different copy of the similar files in a different name. One is with a similar name. Now I'll be scanning with this software. Now here you have a scan the computer, add folders. I'm going to add download folders, and then after I'm going to add document folders where there are different duplicate copy of files, and then I'm going to add the desktop. You can see all this needs to be checked. Now let me scan for the duplicate. So 6 duplicate found. Let me if you want, you can auto mark, or I'll just select manually. So you can see this particular files 4 different copy. I made 3 copy in the document folder and 1 original copy. This particular file 2 different copy. One I have in the desktop and one over there in the download folder. Now you can select it and delete one copy. Yes. Okay, here it is. Space recovered, duplicate removed 1, unique file retained 1. Let me go back. Let me delete the duplicate copy. It is moving it to the recycle bin. Now you can see duplicate file deleted 3, space recovered this much, unique file retained 1. Now click on OK. Now let me go and check over here. Now you can see one that was in the desktop, it is gone. It's a duplicate of it. In download folder there must be one file. So here I have one files. Here I have a sample 2. In document there should not be any files. You can see there's no file. All 3 files deleted. So this is what this software do, and this is how it works. If you like it, I have a link in the video description. Be sure to share this video, like the channel, subscribe. Walk through this software. What exactly we have in this software? All the features. Here is the last scan status. 0 duplicate files and 0 space to be saved. Here you have all files and a custom scans. Whether you want to scan all the files like document, image, video, music, archive, and other files, or you want to custom scans. 1 or 2 of these files you can select manually, whichever you want to scan, and then you can scan it. Selected files. Likewise, here you have drop down options where you have lots of features like scan computers. Now here you can click on add files and you can add the different files and folder from your computer you would like to scan. Likewise, here you have a scan Dropbox. It's popping up with the Dropbox web address where you'll have to enter your Dropbox email address and a password and log in into your Dropbox account and then authorize it. So I'll cancel it. Now here we have a mobile smart scan. So you can select the mobile device and then click on OK and add your mobile device, and then you can scan your mobile device. So mobile smart scans. Likewise, you have delete empty folders. In delete empty folders, you can see the icon descriptions. So description about different icons. Here you have a scan folder. Before scanning the folder, you have to select that particular folder from your computer right away. You can browse it. It's a delete empty folder. In settings, you can manage the different settings. You can see you have a general setting. You can manage. If you may do any mistake, you don't know how to correct, you can restore to the default, and here you have all these different options. You have to enter it in a similar pattern. Ignore these files. Any one of the file you would like to ignore, you can enter in the similar format. Likewise, skip this directory. Any one of the directory you would like to skip, you have to enter it in the similar format. Here you have an instruction right over here. So you can check it that. Likewise, what else you can do here? Here you have an email scan mode. So it's a still add device. Here it needs to be add folder. Let me check this. It's add folder. Now select the CML scan mode, and you can manually have to choose any folder where you have your email files, and then you can scan those email files. Here you have a exclude folder right over here. Also, you can select any folder you would like to exclude. Here you have protect folder. Select any folder you would like to protect, and then you can manually scan for the duplicate files. Submit feedback. What else you have in this software? Here you have a setting icon, so you can manually manage the settings. So when you go to scan your any files, if you want to set the file size limit, it's like a filter. You want to scan any size, you have to check the box if you would like to manually set the limit. This is any size. You want to set the minimum file size limit, you can select KB, MB, GB. Likewise, here you have KB, MB, and GB maximum file size. Here you can include and exclude. So you can set the number of file types over here: document, pictures, music, video, archives, so different file types over here. You cannot, if you want to edit any one of these file types, you cannot edit all the file types at once, but manually you have to select any one of these file types and you can edit, make any changes, and click on update to update it. If you want to select all the files, select all the files. If you want to manually, if you make any mistake, you can restore to the default. You can delete, even you can manually add. So you have to add it in a DOS type, DOS file system, and also be separated by semicolon, and then you can enter all those file types you would like to add and click on add. So for example, you can take this format. You have to enter the file type in the similar format and then click on OK. So after you are done to include, again, even if you want to exclude anything, similar way, you can add, edit, delete, restore to the default. Different file type you'd like to exclude. You can exclude in the similar way. You can include and exclude the different file types. Or if you want to scan all the file types, you can select all file types. Here, we have almost gone. So walk through all the software. So we give one look on the top. Here you have a different language you can choose. You can use the software in Accent Center. You have a recommended software, settings. When you go to settings, you can manage different settings over here. It's a general setting, advanced scan settings. So you can manage all the settings right over here. Search options, scan history, and here is the email comparison options. So you can manage all the setting right over here. If you make any error, just restore to the default if you do not know how to fix. Now here you have, you can enter the activation to check for the updates. If you need any user guides, clear case, tips on website, contact us, feedback, and about us. So all these options you have over here in the settings. Likewise, you have one more icon. What's that? Okay, here it is, software, recommended software along with the price. So all these were the different. It's a walk through this software. What exactly we have inside the software? How this software is exactly. Different settings in this software. Okay guys, it is very easy to install this software. You're going to check this box if you want to start the scan after installation. Otherwise, you may leave it unchecked. Okay, you have to agree the agreements. If you want, you can read it. And here it is. When you can browse if you want to install somewhere else in your PC. You can see here it is installing. So here it is. You can start using. So very easy to install.